So this is the Eloise Butler Wildflower Garden and Bird Sanctuary. So we're just going to go in down here and I'll be back. Look at this cool gateway we have to enter. It's just beautiful in here, and they've got a whole map. They've got a history of the garden, the wetland in summer. This is, can you guys see this? This is beautiful. We're just winding down here. Just so absolutely beautiful, and it tells you what you're seeing. The scientific name for the lady slipper. I don't see any lady slippers though. Maybe they're not in bloom yet. So we haven't really seen flowers.
There's a spider.
You see a spidey?
Yeah, it's sitting there like still, I think. Wait, where did it go?
Oh, we had a spidey visit.
I was gonna just observe it. I wasn't gonna
hurt it.
Where is it?
Anyway, we have lots of different kinds of foliage, like ferns, and you can hear the birds tweeting. We haven't really spotted any. Oh yeah, he's a big dude. I don't know if we can see him. Where'd he go? Oh well.
See, like, I'm fine with spiders in nature where they belong. Just don't come in my house.
Just don't come in my house. Exactly. Anyway, we have a conundrum. Should we go that way? Should we go that way? What do you think, Rye?
I don't know. Either
You
way.
pick.
That way.
Okay. Look at all the ferns. It's like just heavenly. I want to see flowers. We've got little benches to sit and rest on, although we're doing a lot of spider spotting, so I don't know if I'd sit down on one of them. We got a turkey right by us. Hi, dude. We got a couple of them. Hey, fellas. I think those are goldenrod. I'm not sure. These are literally the only flowers we've seen so far. It's really starting to rain. There's some more. This is just so beautiful. I don't know what any of these actually are, but they're pretty. It's starting to rain out, but it's not pouring, so we're gonna continue on. Look at that. I just think that is so pretty. I didn't see these ones, I don't think, on the way down. Anyway, what do you think? We've been here about 15 minutes? You could probably do this whole circle if that's all you were here for. I'm guessing in about 25 minutes. But if you want to sit, there's some gorgeous spots, and it'd be kind of nice in early fall when it's chilly enough. Like, we haven't had the first frost, but there's no bugs. I'd sit in here and meditate and read and journal. It's gorgeous. Here we are. There's no gatekeeper, but we have made it through. There's much more to see here, you guys, and I'm going to come back in the fall and show it to you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.